What's going on, everybody? It's Chris.
And Netta.
We're out here in Idaho visiting Mitch. He's over there with Henry, and Katie's right there. We're gonna be checking out Becker Pond up here in Idaho Falls. Apparently it's some pretty good rainbow trout fishing. It's all stocked fish, but it's better than nothing. So we're gonna get down to fishing.
Chris got a fish.
Is that a fish?
I catch it. Henry!
Where's Netta?
Says I'm too busy to worry about Netta.
Shoes? Can I leave the shoes?
I mean they're already wet at this point, but
Hey.
Chris caught another fish.
I think I have another yellow.
That one looks a little bigger. Is it?
It is. It's been in here longer. Its fins aren't all ate off.
My country boy. Put your shirt back on.
Get out of here, crawdad.
You see the fish? Bye, fish.
5 for Chris.
5 for me, none for Mitch. I feel bad.
Say bye, bye,
Because we're
fish.
using basically the same baits. He threw this.
He's still warming up.
He threw this a whole bunch of times and got no bites. I caught 2 on that. We swapped. Now I've caught 3 on this one. He's not. Have you had a bite yet?
Good job, y'all.
Oh, thank you. There he is. Oh, he's there. Oh, ready, Henry? Just saw color.
Yeah, I can see.
There he is.
Woohoo!
And I'm just hanging out with the baby. Just filming, watching, having fun. Mitch has got another fish.
Daddy got another fish, Bubba. Yes. We got more. Look. It's the same one.
That was a pretty good, productive little pond for just being right out of town. It's maybe about 5 minutes from where Mitch and Katie live. So I caught 5, Mitch caught 2, and I'm happy. It was well worth the 1-day fishing license price. So we'll catch you later. Thanks for being with us. So please like and subscribe. It really helps us out, especially when you like. It puts us up in the algorithm, helps more people see our adventures. We love you guys.
We'll catch you later.
Hey everyone, it's Chris.
And Netta.
If you liked the video, drop us a like.
And subscribe. Thanks for being a part of our everyday.